Hey everybody, Bully Pack RV here. We're here at lovely Middleborough, Boston Cape Cod KOA. And we got in Friday night. It's now Monday morning. Had a wonderful weekend with Briley, granddaughter, and kids. And there'll be more of that coming up over the next 2 weekends, which is fantastic. And we are doing everything we can to relax. It was a little hectic here over the weekend because they were doing a really cool promotional event where you only paid, Saturday night was only $20 because all the proceeds were going to Children's Cancer Fund, which was fantastic. But this place was packed, and it was like, it was crazy, but it's since quieted down. But say good morning, Al.
Good morning, Al.
Oh my goodness. But this is our site, and as you can see, we were able to add Massachusetts to our stay map. And of course, Miss Tilly is eating sticks. What else would she do at the campsite? But things have definitely quieted down quite a bit. And this is the kind of the layout. We have a very long site, which is nice. So there's plenty of room to park Clyde. The water pressure is pretty good. It's about 50 psi. They claimed it was 110. I haven't seen it ever go above 50. But it is city water, so that's actually kind of cool because city water is, of course, chlorinated a little bit, and that's helping also send some cleansing effect down the lines, which is really cool. But as you can see, we've got some really cool tree cover, which I think would be really awesome. I mean, it does open up in the top, but you know, we've got not a little, but quite a bit of shade. If it was real hot conditions, we're only going to get up about 80 degrees, I think, top temperature this week. But you know, as you can see, it's really rather quiet and peaceful here now. And this very nice young family pulled in. They're from Texas. They just went off to go visit the beach. So they're going to head down, I would imagine, to Plymouth. Okay, Packies. This is what I'm talking about. 1620, the Pilgrims landed here in this wonderful place. And it is an amazing historical site. We're going to be down here for a couple of hours today. Not too super long because we got to get back for Halo and Tilly, but this is what I'm talking about, folks. This is Plymouth, Massachusetts, the heart or the opening of Cape Cod. This is where it begins. As you can see, quite a few people here today, but just a beautiful, beautiful location, excellent protected harbor. There are cruises and wharfs and shops, and we're gonna go check everything out and maybe get a lobster roll. How's that sound, buddy?
I'm ready for the lobster roll.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I gotta get in.
Yeah.
We got this going on.
He's in leopard print.
Not digging it. All right. We'll talk to you soon, everybody.